Hey guys, Good in the Woods here. I finally got another Cairn subscription for the month of August 2021. Feed the Soul. So I got this the other day. I figured if I was going to make a new video again, I would actually go out to the forest and make it something worthwhile since I am starting again. So let's open it up. Alright, so first thing we're going to pull out of this thing is, let's not go for the heaviest thing in there. And then now we're going to see what else we got. Oh, it's a pocket for your sunglasses. Okay, cool. This is just their paper, which we'll go over in a second. Okay, this is the last big thing. Cool. That's pretty awesome, actually. I like the package. Alright, cool. So, first, I'm going to go over this paper real fast, which is their kind of subscription daily newsletter, essentially. See if I can get out of the way. Okay, cool. So, Sunny Sustainability. It's just kind of encouraging going outside, getting some sun. There's some sections here that go over each product. So the first one is the Eco Vessel Wonderwear Reusable Utensil Set. So pretty much that's what you're getting in it, which is actually pretty cool. I'm going to open it up here in a minute, but we're just going to keep going over everything else. And right here we have a Sunny Sock, Goggle Sock, by Goggle Sock, sorry. Pretty much it's just a really good pocket for your sunglasses. I know we, especially myself, are kind of not innocent when it comes to putting our sunglasses in good areas, so that's actually pretty cool to have. I'm actually really looking forward to using that. And then down here we have the Patagonia Provisions Regenerative Organic Chili Mango, which is that. My wife actually might like that really well. She likes mango and chili powder stuff, so she might like that. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got other people encouraging outdoor stuff, adventure upgrade, so the obsidian stuff, subscriber perks for the actual Cairn subscription, and stuff like that. And on the back we have just extra stuff of information about rewards and stuff like that if you are a subscriber. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over each one. First starting out with the Patagonia Provisions, then with the sunshades, and then with the silverware. So looking at this here, this is the Patagonia Provisions. Regenerative Organic Chili Powder. I'm guessing this is their hot scale, which is I would assume maybe under a medium, possibly, for a spicy taste. Let's see, it's organic, vegan, if you're looking for that. I don't mind. And pretty much that's all it is. I believe it's just dried, dehydrated mango with chili powder. So yeah, that actually might be pretty good. So I'm going to have to try that out. I actually do try each package they give me of whatever the contents is, if it's coffee or chocolate or a nutrition bar or anything like that. I do try it, and most of the time they're actually pretty good. You know, some of them, you know, once in a while you'll get tired of it. You might be able to handle one, and then trying to stomach another, you know, bite is kind of a little bit too much. But most often when they send me snacks and stuff like that, they are pretty well. Okay, so we'll put that to the side there. Next we'll go over the Goggle Sock Sunny Sock. I don't have my sunglasses with me, or else I would show you how it would work. Your Sunny Sock is made from recycled plastic bottles. So that's pretty cool. And it gives you all the information either in English as well as Spanish. This is very nice. Tells you the retail right there, $14.95. And then here's the actual sock. Comes with a little carabiner, which actually pretty solid. Can't complain about that. I just hate really bad carabiners when they come on something. It's a very big pet peeve of mine for something to not have good carabiners on, especially when they're very high point in the actual product and they give you a terrible carabiner. Pet peeve. Anywho's, Sunny Sock, this is just pretty much telling you what you're getting, hyping up their, you know, sock essentially. This is not your average sunglasses case. We have turned a basic everyday item into anything but. And then they give you a code on the back, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And then this right here, oh look at that. So it has like this elastic inside of here, almost like a, you know, one of those snap-on bracelets essentially, kind of that type of feel. So it won't slide out, which is pretty cool. It has a bunch of pretty cool markings in here. Let's see what they say. Oh, so on the inside it has a lens cleaner. That's what that is, a lens cleaner. Your lenses will love you. That's awesome. And then the actual pocket itself, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's actually a neat feature to have that incorporated in that. That's pretty cool. I like that. And this is actually pretty good thickness right here. You know, on par for something you would like, you know, to put your glasses in. Definitely not one of those cheap little pocket-sized ones that come with your glasses, you know, from an OEM product or something, you know. Very well. I like this. Very good product. You know, I won't put my old glasses in here because they're kind of scratched up and it would be pointless at this point. But when I get new glasses, this is going to be the pocket for sure. That's cool. Alright. It's a 6-piece set. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. Let's see if it just slides. Oh, nice. Alright. I didn't have to break nothing. Perfect. On the back has, see, we have here chopsticks, 4-prong fork, a knife, large spoon, a straw, and straw brush, which is brush is a nice thing to have, especially if you're using your straw for different things like a smoothie and then an actual drink, and it's just nice to clean something out where you don't have the same flavor stuck in the same straw. So it doesn't have anything to strap it to, so it's pretty much just a bag holder essentially. I was kind of hoping this was going to be a, you know, a strap to kind of put in your somewhere to strap to something. I don't know, maybe I was overthinking it. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. Sorry if it's a little windy. The breeze just kind of kicked in, the time has changed, and now the heat transfer is happening out here, so it's causing a little bit of wind. So here we have the set, which is pretty nice. It's a black, kind of anodized, you know, I'm not good with explaining colors and metals, but this is actually pretty nice. It has a little bit of weight to it, which is actually, it's pretty good. I like it. It's not too heavy. I probably wouldn't take this whole entire set on a like a backpacking trip per se, but definitely if I'm doing a overnighter, maybe a just a drive up spot, you know, somewhere like where I'm at now, where it has, you know, a bench and stuff like that, an actual car camping trip. This will actually be pretty cool to have, you know, in your tool set of stuff. Okay, next, I guess we can go over the brush here. It's not too bad. It has, the bristles aren't weak, they're not strong. I think they're very fair for what you're going to be using it for. I definitely wouldn't try to use this on anything else, especially if it's going to be harder grime or anything like that. You might kind of ruin this thing, but other than that, it actually is a pretty solid cleaner to have in your kit. You know, I can't really complain about it. Straw, let's check out the straw. Straw is pretty cool. Comes with a rubber tip, which is actually kind of nice, because I know a lot of people don't like when using these straws because of the metal, you know, it clanks on your teeth, stuff like that. So having that rubber piece on top is actually, it's actually pretty cool. Very considerate, to be honest. So let's go ahead and slide that back in. If I can get it to go. The spoon here is actually pretty nice. I like that it has the flat spot right here, and you know, and it's really good, especially when you're using like a mountain house meal or something. That's actually really nice. I can actually use this Patagonia, because when you're scooping in it, you can actually get a nice wall chunk, and once you scoop that out, it's perfectly up. You get it, you eat it, you're good to go. So I like that this right here is actually incorporated, and if you actually look, the top right here has that same kind of flatness, which is actually really nice. I like that. Maybe I'm just picky about my spoons, but that's pretty cool. And it's fairly light, not as deep, not as long as of a handle as I would like. I'd probably say that's about 5 inches, maybe. But it is nice. It is lightweight. I like the shape of it. I think it's a very good spoon to have. Even if you just take this by itself, or just simplify the actual package to where you only have, you know, the fork, the spoon, you know, and hell, to be honest, chopsticks are honestly a very versatile tool to have for eating and just in general. And these are metal. So I would almost say, if you know how to use chopsticks, or you're willing to learn, I would say learn how to use chopsticks, because they are very nice to have, and I like them. But for now, we're just going over everything. So, spoon is nice. We'll go over the knife here. Now, this is definitely just a typical butter knife. There's no thrills about it. There's nothing really special. You can see the ridges on here. They are very sturdy. They don't feel weak. I'm actually going to look up the metal here in a second to see what it is, and see what it can and cannot handle, and if it'll wear over time. But honestly, I would not take this with me. I think this is kind of, on a backpacking trip, this is definitely dead weight. And honestly, out in the wilderness, I don't really think this is probably that usable. If you carry a daily, you know, knife, then using this, it's kind of worthless, to be honest with you. This is probably the worst thing, honestly, out of this whole entire pack. But you know, not everything's perfect, but very usable. I like this set. I think it's very good. I don't know its gross weight. I will check here in a second. Does not tell you weight, which is kinda... So it is stainless steel, which is really good, because stainless steel doesn't rust. So it's actually a very good metal to have when you're, you know, out in the open. and dealing with you know, just rugged terrain and stuff like that. So yeah, but it doesn't tell me anything else besides that. It doesn't give me a weight or any other type of dimensions and or any good information besides that it's stainless steel and a 6-piece set. So that's where it is. But other than that, I actually like it. I can't complain about it. I think it's actually a solid piece to have in your set if you're going to have something. Very flat, you know. I like it. Not too bad. So, once again, we have the EcoVessel Wanderwear. We have the Sunny Sock by, what is it, Goggle Sock? Or it is Sunny Sock by, or however that is. Sorry. Patagonia Provisions. I'm actually probably going to try that on the way out of here or after I do this video just to see maybe I'll give you an update. We'll see what we do with that. But yeah, I'm really glad to be back making videos again. I know it's taken me a couple years. If you're watching this video, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.